Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
Study In, a global higher education specialist, launches its flagship Student Experience Center in Chennai, marking another significant milestone in the company's India expansion strategy and reinforcing its long term commitment to supporting Indian students aspiring to pursue international education. The center was inaugurated in the presence of Lakshmi Iyer, Chief Client Officer and Chairperson of Study in India, and Uttam Jaiswal, Commercial Director, India Study In, along with other dignitaries. The new center is being launched as part of Study In's continued investment in India and its strategy to build a stronger, more accessible student engagement ecosystem across key education markets.
So, Romba Nandri for coming in the morning. I know it is very difficult for journalists. I'm married to one, so I know. So, thank you very much for making the trek in the morning and coming to this place. First and foremost, I want to acknowledge Mr. Tyagarajan, whose space this is that he has rented to us. And this is a very big occasion for our organization. This is our first flagship office in South India. So we have chosen to open our first flagship office in Chennai, the beautiful city Chennai Managaram, only because this is a longest standing operation of the company in the south of India. We have been in Chennai for more than a decade, almost 12 years, and it is a very large operation for our organization. Everyone knows that some of the largest numbers of study abroad aspirants come out of Chennai, and it is a fitting kind of location for us as an organization and to have a flagship location that showcases our intent to support the growing number of Indian students from Tamil Nadu as a state who are looking at various destinations overseas. Our company now represents universities from over 25 destinations. UK, US obviously feature a lot, but there are a lot of emerging destinations that students from Tamil Nadu are looking to go and study, and we are wanting to support them. And this space that you see is a reimagination of how the counseling of the future will look like, which is more of a collaboration between students, parents, and institutions and us as counselors to try and architect a solution for their study abroad aspirations.
We have 21 offices across India. Of course, we have a global presence. The idea came. We already have an office here, and we have been running our operation since last 10 years. Why this idea came in order to have a new office altogether? It is just because we kind of understood what kind of an environment, what kind of a counseling experience that today's Gen Zs wants to have it. So that is being the most important thing that we have considered when we opened, as Lakshmi mentioned, that we opened our one of first office in northern India, which was in Delhi. The moment office opened, we started seeing the kind of a different kind of a student interest, walking into the offices, sitting here and there and just casually talking to the counselors, having earlier it used to be a very different kind of a counseling experience, which we want to completely revamp. So that's our goal. Also, we in coming future we will also be able to provide to give a virtual tour of all the universities which are there, 1,000 miles away from here. Students can experience as well from this office. They can have a virtual tour. So that is something, a kind of tech that we are trying to enable here. So yeah, so that is something we want to do. Other than that, when it comes to counseling, so over and above everything, we have always been very, very considerate when it comes to giving the best experience to the student, and this is one of the examples. The setup is one of the examples of that. So yeah, looking forward to work from the new office.
By the institutions. Um, um, so, for example, in the intake from April 2025 to March 2026, um, The students that we sent to study to various parts of the world altogether would have got at least 125 crores worth of scholarships from the various universities that they chose to study in. So, to go back to your question, the aspirant profile that we serve as an organization, the profile comprises of students who are academically able, ambitious, are looking largely at STEM related subjects, mainly to do with data sciences, computer science, these kinds of areas, artificial intelligence, emerging fields, and health and allied sciences also feature a lot. Because I think students pretty much understand what the future looks like, and they will kind of pick and choose those subjects that will career proof them so that they can kind of enter into gainful employment, because our students are very much focused on return on investment. They are not, they are taking these huge decisions based on the ability to enter the labor force, either overseas or eventually when they come back to India, they want to be gainfully employed. That is the kind of